Visit our homepage and click on the conXmate item in the drop-down menu to enter the coaxial adapter configuration tool page. We simplify the process of selecting connectors into a simple two-step process. First, please choose the type of adapter, namely connector A and connector B. Please note that you must select connector A before you can choose B. The image of the adapter determined by connector A and connector B will be displayed. And you can click on the image to enlarge and rotate the product image for a closer look. Typically, we only label the length of the connector for reference. Second, please enter the quantity you wish to order. After you click the inquiry button, you will see the information you care about most in the inquiry results. If you decide to make a purchase, you can click Add to Cart to add the selected product to your shopping cart. At this point, the number of products you have chosen will be highlighted above the shopping cart. By clicking on the shopping cart icon, you will be able to view the detailed information of the products you have selected. Let's simulate the selection of another type of adapter. Afterward, before proceeding with payment, you need to confirm the shipping method. Please note that the shipping method will be automatically adjusted based on the total weight of your purchased products and your delivery address country. Of course, you must enter your accurate delivery address at the end. Currently, the supported payment methods are PayPal, online transfer, and in some countries, credit cards are accepted. You can easily remove selected products from your shopping cart, and the total weight of the products will be automatically adjusted. If necessary, the shipping method will also be automatically adjusted.